Tesla has become more than just a car company. It's leading the electric vehicle revolution. With cutting-edge technology and sleek designs, Tesla continues to impress. From the affordable Model 3 to the impressive Model S Plaid, there's a Tesla for everyone. But what makes Tesla stand out? It's their commitment to innovation. Tesla constantly pushes boundaries with features like autopilot and their extensive supercharger network. Ready to join the electric revolution? Let's explore how to buy a Tesla in 2024. Ordering a Tesla is now easier than ever. It all starts online, right from the comfort of your home. Head over to the Tesla website and explore the different models available. Each model offers unique features and benefits. Each model has detailed information about features, range, and pricing. This helps you make an informed decision. Once you've found your perfect match, it's time to customize it to your liking. Choose your desired paint color from a variety of stunning options, then select the interior finishes and wheel options that best suit your style. Don't forget to add additional features like autopilot for a more enhanced driving experience. Tesla's online configurator makes it fun and easy to build your dream car, step by step. After customizing, you'll need to place a deposit to proceed with your order. This is usually a refundable amount that secures your spot in the production line, ensuring your car gets built. Congratulations, you've officially ordered your Tesla. Now, just sit back and wait for your new car to be delivered.
Section 4. Financing your Tesla. Options and considerations. Tesla offers several financing options to make owning their cars more accessible and tailored to your financial needs. You can choose to finance through Tesla directly, which can simplify the process and provide a seamless experience. They work with various lenders to provide competitive rates and flexible loan terms, ensuring you get the best deal possible. Another option is to secure financing through your bank or credit union, which might offer personalized service and potentially better rates. It's always a good idea to shop around and compare rates from different lenders. This can help you find the most favorable terms and save money in the long run. Tesla also offers leasing options if you prefer not to buy outright. Leasing can be a great choice for those who like to drive the latest models. Leasing allows you to drive a brand new Tesla for a set period with lower monthly payments, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Remember to carefully review all financing terms and conditions before making a decision. Understanding the details can help you avoid any surprises and ensure you make the best choice for your situation.
Section 5. Delivery day and beyond. What to expect? The day has finally arrived. Your Tesla is ready. This is the moment you've been waiting for, and it's finally here. Tesla will contact you to schedule a delivery appointment at your convenience. You can choose the time and place that works best for you. You can choose to pick up your car at a Tesla delivery center or have it delivered directly to your home. The choice is yours, making the process flexible and easy. On delivery day, you'll receive a thorough walkthrough of your new car. The Tesla team will ensure you are comfortable and familiar with all the features. The Tesla team will explain all the features and answer any questions you may have. They are there to make sure you feel confident and excited about your new vehicle. After that, it's time to hit the road and experience the thrill of driving a Tesla. Feel the smooth acceleration and enjoy the innovative technology at your fingertips. Tesla offers excellent customer support and warranty coverage for peace of mind. Whether you have questions or need assistance, they are always ready to help. They also have an extensive supercharger network, making it easy to charge your Tesla on the go. With numerous charging stations, you can travel with confidence and convenience.